Why does your grandma write letters but you send Snapchats? Or why boomers love phone calls but Gen Z prefers texting? Let's explore what makes each generation unique and how we are all more alike than we think. Today we are diving into the world of generations, how they think, what shaped them, and why they clash or connect. From the silent generation to Gen Alpha, each one has a story worth telling. Ready? Let's go. People who were born between 1928 to 1945 are called silent generation. These folks were born during tough times like the Great Depression and World War II. They grew up valuing hard work, loyalty, and saving money. Their motto: stay strong and keep going. They are the reason we have so many stories about resilience. Then people who were born between 1946 to 1964 are called baby boomers. They were born after World War II when life was booming, hence the name. They saw the rise of television, rock and roll, and big social changes like the civil rights movement. Boomers are known for being optimistic, ambitious, and loving a good debate. People from 1965 to 1980 are called Gen X, often called the forgotten generation. These were the independent latchkey kids. They grew up with the first computers and MTV, and they value freedom and flexibility. Gen X is often skeptical but super resourceful, a real mix of work hard, play hard. Millennials were born between 1980s and 1990s. They grew up with the internet and saw the world change fast. From 9/11 to the 2008 financial crisis, they have faced challenges but are known for being tech savvy, socially conscious, and a bit obsessed with self care. Love them or hate them, they have shaped today's culture in a big way. People who were born between 1997 to 2012 are known as Gen Z. Gen Z is the first generation born into a fully digital world. They are all about memes, TikTok, and making the world better. They care deeply about mental health, social justice, and sustainability. Some call them screen addicts, but others see them as the most aware generation yet. People who were born after 2012 are known as Gen Alpha, the youngest generation. These kids are growing up with AI, smart homes, and virtual everything. They are digital natives who are shaping the future in ways we can't even imagine yet. Will they be the most innovative generation? Time will tell. Every generation is shaped by its time, but we all bring something special to the table. Which generation are you and what do you admire about others? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.